Howdy folks, we're back with the final review of the last of the 6 watches I received from BenlyDesign, this time after plenty of rest time. Introducing the X7000 Terminator, a watch that unmistakably takes inspiration from the red-eyed cyborg. Like the other Benly OLED watches I reviewed, links below, this is another well-crafted driver-style timepiece. However, I'd say it leans more toward a futuristic design compared to the S1000 Stargazer and even the S3000 Cyberwatch, which has more of an 80s vibe. The red OLED display on this model pays homage to the classic LED watches of the past, something I personally really enjoy. Now, according to the Benly website, this watch is listed at 150 grams. But I believe that's incorrect, as this particular model, which comes with a solid link bracelet, unlike the rolled link bracelet found on others, weighs a lot more. My watch, after removing 4 links, weighs 182 grams. The bracelet alone weighs 105 grams without those 4 links, while the case itself is 77 grams. On the rubber strap, the total weight is approximately 81 grams. Aside from the weight discrepancies, the dimensions, which I'll put on the screen now, appear to match the official specs. So thank God for that. I have to say the bracelet is a game changer. The added weight and quality significantly enhances the wearer experience, and naturally that's reflected in the price. The X7000 Terminator is currently priced at £132, that's around $166 with free shipping, which in my opinion is pretty reasonable. Plus, at the moment, Benly is running a spring sale with 20% off. So, just like with the other 3 LED watches I reviewed, I'm thoroughly impressed, possibly even more so thanks to the bracelet upgrade. It's comfortable, the bold unique design stands out, and while it's on the larger side, the non-protruding lugs help it wear well on smaller wrists, much like certain Seikos and G-Shock models. Now, as I've said before, these watches won't be for everyone, but if you're into this style, I can confidently say they're well made and offer solid value for money. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Until next time.